are a rare breed who founded this great land. They fished and trapped the waterways from the coast to far inland. Their snowshoes streak the endless plains from fall till early spring. When they set their traps, when they blaze their trails, you could hear their axes ring. Through the stormy winter days, they always went alone. For months and months they traveled so far away from home. It seemed that nothing stopped them, bold hearts one and all, not raging rivers or rapids or the mighty waterfalls. They climbed the highest mountains, they faced the bitter cold to lay another trap line. The fur, it was their goal. In the spring when they returned to their loved ones dear, and shouting, we're always waiting there. You asked them why they'd gone there, where no one went before. It's easy to explain, sir, ye sons of Labrador. Now we don't claim the credit of those men true and bold. Their names are stamped upon this land, their story has been told. Those men, they are our fathers, and we can't ask for more. Our heritage we proudly claim. We sons of Labrador.